This Mamod SP4 has never been run before. So today, we're going to fire it up for the very first time and see how it performs. Before starting, I'm just oiling all the moving parts, making sure everything runs smoothly, especially for a first run. Next, filling the boiler with water. You don't want to underfill these. Fill them to the correct level. Got to remember to put the safety valve in. Now adding fuel to the burner. Time to light it. Now we just wait for pressure to build. You can already hear it starting to come to life. And there it goes. For a first run, that's actually pretty smooth. Let's try the whistle. And that's the run finished. Not bad at all for its first run. I've got a few more engines to try. Stay tuned. If you like this content, please consider liking and subscribing.